players? So I'm headed to my boy Nacho's house right now. I'm gonna help him out install some headers onto his ZL1 Camaro. So yeah, let's get over there. Also, the cool thing is this shit's like not dirty underneath, like on new cars, fool. Like old cars, some old cars are hella crusty on the bottom.
Dumb motherfucker. You took the back one apart already?
Yeah. No, I just took it off the
top.
off the coil.
Alright.
All this extra ass work on this fucking car. What even is this shit?
Great news, fella.
Doesn't fit?
You know why? Probably because of this. It hits right here.
Noise.
Noise.
Not too bad, huh?
Nah. Just gotta disconnect this fucking steering column.
Must be nice to have a lift in your backyard.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you're gonna have.
Have to pull this shit down.
Hopefully, the shit still lines up once you put the headers in.
Yeah, well. I might have to fucking turn this on. The steering wheel's locked. You're gonna have to go in there and move it. Like,
Just by headers, you think?
yeah. No cats.
Oh, no
Catless
shit,
lip
huh?
pipes.
True. That shit really is gonna be loud. It hits this, I don't know if you can see, this ground right here, like, is right on the flange, so the header doesn't sit against the heads, right? So you gotta grind a little bit off the flange in order for it to fit. Shit's all blurry. Texas speed, long tube header. Where do you gotta grind at? Yeah, is it going in?
Yeah.
Nice. fits now.
What?
The steering link, I guess?
The
Or
steering link? The
I don't know.
fucking, that connects the
that
steering?
little joint?
Yeah.
We had to disconnect it to get out the way because they didn't want to go in.
The steering column to the fucking rack and pinion,
Yeah.
basically.
That little joint, we had to disconnect it so the headers could fit in there.
See it right there, though.
Yeah, so we're just putting the bolt back on. And this side, we just had to grind the flange a little bit just so it could bolt up straight because the ground was kind of in the way. But now both of them are on. Probably get a sound clip with just open headers and then we'll connect them, see what it sounds like. It's gonna be way louder now because these are 2-inch headers and he's going from that. Well, from this to that, he had just the exhaust manifolds and double cats. So for sure it's gonna be way louder now. How long have you had this car, fool?
It's like 2017, I think.
Like 3 years.
3 years, I want to say.
And you changed the whole exhaust system probably like 20 times.
Twice.
Has like 10 set of headers, 10 set of different mufflers. Is this gonna be like the loudest setup, you think?
Nah.
You've had it louder before, huh?
I had the headers and course exhaust.
Oh yeah, that shit was bad,
That shit
fool.
was loud.
I remember that one. This one should sound good though. At least it all is just bolted on though.
Yep.
Did it get that hot? Kinda, huh?
Nah.
A little bit.
You gotta get the sound more because I'm not sitting all the way.
This shit sounds good though now.
I'm gonna stick it back in the garage now. I just lost it.
You could hear the cam way more though. Sounds way better now.
Get it sold. Should post that shit and also for sale.
For sale, ZL1. 2015?
Yeah, it just needs to retune.
Cause the exhaust?
Because headers and taking exhaust. And upper fully.
Oh yeah.
And then I had a special fucking oil reservoir for the supercharger in the back. Like CNC'd. So instead of having like a really thin oil pan for the fucking supercharger, it's like fucking it's way thicker. It cools off a lot better.